Guys, this is Murugesh. Welcome to MS Online Academy. This is a special video to explain about the 2025, what is going to happen in market, and we are going to be review last 100 years data, and we are going to be come to one conclusion that what can happen in the 2025. Okay, 2025 is the 9 number. It's a Mars, it's a Mangal number. Based on this particular 9 number, we are going to be discuss and review last 100 years charts, where and when the 9 number year came and what happened in that. Trading is a number game. That's why we need to be study about the numerology, astrology also. That is required. Some people don't believe that one. It's okay. When we are entering into a new year, we used to do the goal setting. But what will happen later on? We won't follow that one. That's why we must require the particular vision. What is my vision for 2025? What are the goals, and what is my strong mindset to be continuously working on the our goals. Okay, let's discuss about the 100-year data. Okay, after that we can go with the one particular strategy, the based on the trend following. Okay, that is the most best strategy in entire program. Okay, I'll explain about that, and with examples and rules and yeah, all the conditions. Okay, let me share my screen. Our blueprint 2025. In this particular video, we are going to be review about the what happened in earlier years. Okay, when it is come as a 9, number 9. Okay, number 9 is nothing but 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, that's become a 9, and we are going to be review based on that numerology point. Okay, so we are going to be find whether it is going to be a trended year or a sideways year or a downtrend year, whatever it may be. Because as a pro trader, currently we have all the tools with us, right? We have a specific strategies to trade a uptrend, specific strategies to trade a downtrend. Also with we have a strategies for option trading, future trading, and cash trading. And with respect to building a portfolio, we have all the strategies. Okay, so but we have to prepare with ourselves how I can use those. Okay, what happened in 2023? 2023 was the year of a trending market. Okay, that's why we made a very good profit. Myself and my entire community, we made a very good profit. But in 2024 it was a leap year. Okay, February 29, it's a leap year. Along with that, we come across two different elections. One is Indian elections, and one is American election. Because of leap year, okay, the volatility of the market is huge, and we discussed 2024 Jan itself, and we decided that 2024 is going to be a volatile market year. Okay, in 2025, what we can expect? That's the major question. What we can expect in 2025? 2025 is the Mars. Okay, Mars number or a Mangal Graha. Okay, 2024 is a 8. It's a Shani number. Okay, volatile number. 2025 is a Mars number. Okay, it's a year of multiple opportunities. It's a year of completion. Okay, 9 is a last number. 0 to 9. It's a 9 is the last number. So we can consider this as a completion number. It could be a sometime completing or closing our bad habits. We are closing our random trading habit, or any of the bad things, or anything which we need to be closed, we can close in this year. It's a year of opportunity. It's a year of energy, high energy actually. Okay, how we are going to be use that particular thing, it makes sense. Okay, now what we can do, we are going to be discuss about last 100 year. Whenever we come across 9 number year, and what happened, whether it is a trended year or it's a sideways year, whatever it may be, based on this data, we are going to be conclude what is going to be happen in 2025. Okay, just stay tuned. Dow Jones 1908, it's a trended year, right? 1908, nothing but add this 1908, it's become a 9. That's why we are going to be study based on this particular method. Okay, again Dow Jones 1917, it's a complete trended market but downside. It's completely in 1908, it's a uptrend, it's a downtrend. So that means what we can imagine here, 9 is the Mangal, or a energy year. So there is a high possibility to be go trending market in 2025 also. 1926, okay, it's a sideway market. 1935, it's again a trended market. Okay, for the investors, for traders, the trending market is important. Okay, just like a 2023. Okay, 1944, it's a trended market, again one sided. It's a again 1956, it's a downtrend. Okay, that means when you go back and check, out of 12 months we have a 8 to 10 months in a trended market. Okay, it could be a downside or a upside, but 8 to 10 months is a one side market. So that means we have to ready with both the knowledges, how to deal with the uptrend, how to deal with the downtrend. Okay, that's why we made a separate program which is called downtrend secret, and it is a part of our 6 month program also, the ultimate trader. Okay, 1962, okay, it's a around 4 5 month 5 6 month, it's a downtrend, after that it went a sideways. Okay, 1971, again 6 to 7 8 month, it's a downtrend. Okay, so we have to be prepare with ourselves to deal with downtrend also. That is what entirely the focus of this particular video. 1980, okay, look at this, first Jan to first March, till March it was a downtrend, but once it's reversed in a April month, and it's a trended market. Okay, 1989, it's a trended market again. 1998, it's a sideway. 2007, okay, it's both side, like 6 month it's a trended, and after that it's went sideways. 2016, it's a as a uptrend, after that it went a sideways. Okay, but what happened in Sensex? Okay, with respect to Indian market, let's see. Okay, with particular this data for 100 years, more than 100 years data, we can imagine that there is a possibility of a trended market for at least 8 to 10 months. So we have to be ready with both the side. If it is going to be trended market in downside, we have to, as a trader, we have to be short the market and make the money. If it is a uptrend, then we can invest in cash, mutual fund, we can trade future options, everything. Okay, Sensex, let's see Sensex what happened. Sensex started in 1989. Okay, in that particular year it was a sideway, because that is the beginning of a Sensex. Okay, in 2007 it's a trended market. You people aware that 2008 crash, when it comes to January, market started crash like anything. Okay, and 2016, yes, it's a trended market for a 7 8 month. Okay, Nifty, what happened in Nifty in 1998? Yes, it's a downtrend. Okay, that's why we have to be ready with both the both side. That is why I am emphasizing again and again, you people need to be learn how to deal with downtrend also. 2007, it's a pretty trended market. 2016, again it's a trended market. So now we are at a place where we are going to be deal with the number 9, 2025. Okay, so we are expecting from this entire study, we are going to be understand one thing, that there is a high possibility of trended market. So that's why prepare with yourself, like how to deal this entire thing, how to deal the trended market. Because of this conclusion of 2025, I came up with one particular trend following system, where we can use that and make a money in both the side. There are certain conditions where we are going to be studying now. Okay, based on those conditions, we are going to be choose a stock and prepare with ourselves to trade the market. Either it could be upside or it could be a downside. Okay, what is trend first of all? Okay, in our earlier days, we know that the dressing, it was a bell bottom style, that was the trend in that time. After that it is changed. Similarly, in market we have a 3 trends: uptrend, sideway and downtrend. To be a profitable trader or an investor, market should be a trended market, then only we can make a good money. This is a trend following system. Okay, you know that one. We are a small fish in the market. Okay, there are big fish or big traders, FIs, DIs, but as an individual trader we must be follow the trend or follow the big bulls. So that's why whenever you can see here, whenever trend start, okay, we have to wait. Once the confirmation came, then after that we are going to be start trading. We can't get a bottom or we can't get a top. Okay, that is how we have to be behave in the market. Okay, this is the bottom. Once it started, we are entering. When it is reversed, we are exiting. This is what trend following. Okay, what are the conditions? Okay, there are some conditions. Before that, let me explain you that one. Okay, this is we can call as a dove system also. Whenever the trend is reversed, we are starting entering into that one. Okay, what are the conditions here? I am using two time frames here. One is higher time frame and another one is lower time frame. In a higher time frame, RSI should be above 60, because we know that RSI, why we are following? We are following because of momentum. To choose a stock or an index, okay, what I'll do, I'll just wait until it is crossing 60, because as a momentum trader I need a momentum to be happen in the market. So choose a stock where the RSI is already above 60. Okay, after that you can choose an instrument like cup pattern breakout stocks or all-time high stocks, large cap stocks. Okay, these are the stocks, because we need a volatility, we need a momentum. Okay, once above RSI 16 weekly, wait for the system point to generate. Okay, that means higher high, it has to be higher high. That is what we learn in the Dow theory, right? Stop loss is based on the swing low. Okay, or else whenever you entered the particular day, if you are entering into index, then it should be a 1.5% from the entry price below. Okay, for a stock 2%, because we need to be give a space, okay, where the market should be sustain and go upside. So the day when we entered, okay, for the index 1.5% SL and for a 2% for the stocks. From next day we are following the swing lows. We are considering target in two types. One is monetary target, another one is higher high targets. Okay, once the trend is started, we are just trailing below the swings. Okay, or else we can use the 20 moving average also. So but keep in mind, for stocks we are taking 4% as a first target. Okay, once it's achieved 4%, we are trailing our stop loss to break even, at least break even, or else in future if I am trading, then I'll book one lot when it is reach 4%. Okay, right, and one more lot just I'll keep trailing that one. This is what trend following. We are entering here and exiting here. When swing low or a swing higher high, higher low is become a higher low and lower low. Okay, that is what the swing method. Okay, see, previously it is here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. When trend is reversed, okay, I'll enter into here when I confirmed. For that, first of all, I need to choose a stock which is already above 60 in RSI. After that, I am waiting for this particular system point. Okay, let's see some of the examples. Okay, as per the conditions, you know that first of all, the stock should be a large cap stock or a cup breakout stock, and that should be breakout from 60 in 60 RSI in weekly. Okay, so Coforge is the first example where it is already breakout from it's above 60. Okay, in the month of September, right? Okay, after that what happened? Okay, first example, Coforge. Already we understand the what are the strategy conditions. First it should be above 60 in weekly time frame. Okay, after that we are moving to daily time frame to find out the system point, right? So here in this particular example, Coforge, it is above 60 in the month of September. A recent example I have taken. Okay. After that, in daily time frame, it has made a swing here. Swing means higher high, higher low. Okay. If in case we go to a line chart, you can see here it is a higher high, higher low, and break out this one. When it is breakout on that particular day, we are taking 1.5% from the entry price. Okay, and after that 4% is the our SL. 4% is the first monetary target. If in case I am trading this in a future and I bought 2 lot here, and what I'll do, I'll exit 1 lot when it is reach the 4%. Okay, similarly after that I'll wait for, if it is made lower low, this will be a lower low, right? When it is made lower low, I'll exit my position, entire position. Okay, after that again I'll wait when it is breaking out from this system point. This is the system point. Only whenever it made higher high or again breakout from the all-time high, we are entering into that particular trade. But once in the weekly time frame RSI is above, we are starting tracking that particular stock. Okay, because above RSI 60 means that's a momentum place, right? And in daily time frame we are waiting for our entry. Look at this. When we enter here, okay, after here it made a lower low, so we exited our position and we kept an alert for this particular price. When we got the alert, we entered again. We don't know which trade giving a best result, but as a trend follower we must need to be enter whenever we got the opportunity. But choosing stock is very important in this particular strategy. Okay, second example, persistent. In the month of June, it started trading above 60 in weekly time frame. After that, look at the opportunities. Higher high, okay, it made a swing high. We bought here and it went to almost, you can see here 24%, 900 points. Okay, after that it made a lower low. We exited around here. We don't know, as I explained already, we can't able to find the exit at the top. Okay, once it's made a lower low, we are exiting up from our trade. Again, when it made higher high, you can see here also you can take a trade because it made a higher high. Okay, again here it made a higher high, 7-8%, 300-400 points. If in case we are trading along future and option together, then it's very easy to be make a 6-figure trades, right? Persistent in daily, we got opportunities. Divi slab, okay, in the month of May it made a above 16 weekly time frame. After that we got a multiple opportunities. Look at this, these all are the opportunities, and we know that from last few weeks I am telling you that pharma sector and IT sectors are doing great, and we are doing a top down approach and finding that sector. After that we are applying this particular strategy. If you become a master in this one particular strategy, then no need of any other actually, but with discipline you must need to be follow. Okay, these all are the buy conditions, buy strategy, buying side. The same thing if I am applying in the sell side. Okay, let's see that one. Let's see sell examples actually. What are the conditions for the sell side? Okay, sell conditions. Okay, same. There are two time frames. One is higher time frame and lower time frame. In a higher time frame, whenever the stock is rejected from the 60, okay, we have to choose the stock which are rejecting, which are getting weak in the higher time frame, and in lower time frame we are waiting for the swing lower low, right? Same conditions but in reverse manner, rejecting from the 60, and if it is already rejected from 60, and after that if it is rejecting from 40 also, then that will be a 2 week stock. We can apply this strategy straightforward. It should be reject from 60. If it is coming below 40, then it's a best. Okay, but let's see. And similarly, instrument, we can use a large cap stocks which are rejecting from the 60. Once rejected from the 60 in weekly time frame, wait for the system point to be generated. System point means lower low, when it is coming lower low. Okay, and stop loss, same thing, 1.5% for the index 2% from the for the stocks on the entry date. After that we are changing to the swing lows. Okay, previous swing, that will be a previous low will be our first target, or a 4%, or else we are following the higher high higher low, because we are following the trend here. Okay, entry we are taking here and exit here. Once it's reversed and made a higher high, we are exiting. When it is made lower low, we are entering into the stock. We are shorting the future. We can't trade this in a cash, so we have to, we must need to be short the future and trade here. Okay, just like this. Higher, previously it is a higher high. Okay, when it is make a lower low like this, we are entering into the stock. First example, REC, recent example, this one, when it is rejected from 60. Okay, how many opportunities we got? It made a, okay, it made a lower low, we entered here, made first 5% return or 33 points. After that it made a higher high, we exited exited short position. After that again it made a lower low. Look at this, how nicely it has been made a 54 points. Again we got one more opportunity, 36, 23, recently 50 points. If you are combining future and option, then definitely we can make a easily 6-figure trade. But we have to follow the specific discipline, trend following, right? How to choose a stock, when to enter, when to exit, how to trail. These all points are very important. Understood? Tata Motors, look at this. Okay, Tata Motors has rejected 60 first time. After that it rejected 40 also. If you are shorting this Tata Motors from a price of 1100 or 1200, now it is a 750. Okay, how many opportunities we got? Look at this. First opportunity. Okay, after that 182 points. Second opportunity. Simple trend following strategy. Until and unless it is making a higher high, we don't need to be exit the trade. There is no, when it is made this particular swing, you can trail here, you can trail, after that you can trail here, right? When it is made and confirm the higher high, then we can exit entire trade, entire quantity, we can exit that one. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Tata Motors daily opportunity, these are the 3 opportunities. Okay, and one more is Tata Steel. When it is rejected from 60, okay, till here one trend, within 4 to 5 weeks we got a 2 to 3 opportunities, 7%, 7%, 4%, after that 6%, 6%. See, this is how we have to be trade. We have to wait for the opportunity, we have to be very confident about our strategy, and after that you just sell, you can sell the future and wait for the profit. Okay, so you people understand both the side, like how to apply the strategy while in a buy condition, how, which kind of stocks we have to buy, choose, and wait for the system points. After that you just apply whenever we got the opportunity. Okay, in the sell side also, if the market is downside, then we have to go ahead with a picking the best weak stocks. Okay, in that time we can short the future and buy the PE, short the C. We can apply any of the techniques, but back test this, prepare the data, forward test, and after that you start applying this one. This is the most effective strategy compared to any of other one which we used to do, which we are using. Okay, just practice as much as possible. Okay, and one more thing is that if you are not part of our trading community, then I urge you to be join the Ultimate Trader. New batch is going to be start in Jan. Okay, TUT 2.8, the Ultimate Trader coaching program 2025. So you can learn from basic to advanced. Here we can learn buying side, downtrend, momentum option trading style or strategies. Everything you can learn here. So you can reach out to me, you can WhatsApp me, you can connect, and we can discuss. If it is required, we can have a call, one-to-one call. After that you can take a decision. Even though if you are not going to be joined, there is no issue. Just practice this particular strategy and make a money. Thank you guys.